I'm Ana Clara. I'm from Brazil. I have 22 years old. I'm currently studying biotechnology at Conestoga College in Kitchener. I'm really enthusiastic about my program. So, my grandma, she had dementia, and I was always curious to know more about dementia. And volunteering with open minds and open hearts will give me an incredible experience to comprehend more and how Canada takes serious the dementia and how they provide to decrease the stigma towards the people that has dementia. So this was really a blessing for me that I could learn a lot and increase my knowledge in dementia because I thought about the course available in Conestoga. And due to that fact, I was pretty glad to participate in this program because I could learn and see how people are different from each other, and we should like stop having this stigma towards those people. So one thing that I just learned through this process as well, and I already knew it before, but after that was my first time, and we were talking about music, and he completely remembered the music, but a lot of things he couldn't. But the music he could sing with me completely. And I just like, oh, that's amazing how human brain is insane and so complicated and unique and how perspective for certain things. But I start singing and he just capitalized the singing and start singing with me. That was insane how he could remember the song but not his background in the university in general. He couldn't remember a lot, but the music itself just make him more happy, you know? And it was amazing to see that. It was an incredible moment, an incredible first time for me. That was my first uh, entrance in the program, having the volunteering in the program. So it was amazing. I was singing with him. It was so fluid and not expected that I just feel happy about it, you know? It was such a positive energy soul. It was beautiful to see how human beings struggle with the illness and but sometimes a few points can make them remember things and those things like just like a song can uh, put it in the line to remember other things in their past. So it was incredible.